Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I've got more chocolate boxes. I don't know if you've seen this video tutorial for this Toblerone chocolate I've done. This is my first time I've done this kind of sleeve for this type of chocolate, so I'm going to link that video below so you can check it out if you missed this. And now I think I will go for Toffifee, and let's do the Toffifee chocolate box. It's again very simple because it's in a sleeve form, so I will create a very simple sleeve and then I will decorate the box. So the solution is very simple. You need a box of chocolate, you need scoreboard, but it's not necessary. You just need something to do the lines, so a pencil, a ruler, or something like a bone folder, or even used pencil, because you can use that part when your pencil will run out. You can use that to do the score lines. So it's very simple and easy way. You don't need any cutting dies, and you need some paper. So again, I'm going to use this Papercraft Essential Gift from issue 216. It's called Christmas Markets. It's a kit with 8x8 papers and embellishments. So let me grab the I've got a craft card, and it's very simple. First of all, I need to mark myself how the width of my box. So of course I do everything by marking with my pencil, but I can actually give you the measurement. So maybe let's do the 17 centimeters, or let's see how many inches, or let's do it in inches. So it's 6 inches and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 of an inch, 6 and 5/8. So that's how we need to cut our craft card. So let me cut this off. And now we can so now I do some score lines. Where's I'm going to join both pieces here at the back in the middle, so I need that to be sort of in the middle. So let me make one score line. You see, I need to rub it off now because it's in the middle of my score line. So that's going to be the first one. And it's so easy. If you watch my previous videos, you know that this kind of box is easy. You just need to push everything against the box and just do the score lines, and that's it. And then the sleeve will be nice and snug. So let me just check this one. So this one is a 7/8 of an inch on the spine. And that's another one. Of course, every time I do burnish my score lines just to make myself make it easy to myself. And that was 7/8 of an inch. So let me do that one, because I checked how big spine I need to have. And then I think that should be fine. So let's see, does it work? Yes. And then I don't have to cut any bit off, so I just join it together. Let's see, yeah, it's fine. And for that I'm using a liquid glue, so I put a little bit of glue. I'm not marking anything, I'm just putting a little bit of glue on the edge of this part, and then again at the edge of this one, and then that should work perfectly. Just try to make it as tight as possible, because anyway you will be able to slide it out. So this one works. And now we need to pick paper. Let's see what kind of papers I still got left from this kit. It would be nice to have two of the same, those elements to push out, so I will use them later. Some other embellishments, yes. And I need the papers. I might use those two, because even though they've got different images, the colors are the same. Or maybe this one, but I don't have enough of that one. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to use this one, I think, because one sheet won't be enough. So yeah, let me use this one. So again, I'm not measuring that much, I'm just marking with a pencil how much I need, and then bringing back my guillotine. So it's very simple, it's just a few minutes and the project is completed. I think the longest time I spent is on putting some embellishments on. So this one, let me see, it's just over 4 inches. That's the front. This one will be not enough for the back, but I will do different back, and then let me check how much I need. It's just, I think, probably half an inch here. So I'm going to mark it as well, just in case. So I'm cutting this one, and I'm going to do the same for the other one. I hope you can see everything and that I'm still in shot. Very quick tutorial how to do a sleeve for any chocolate. It's just need to have a ruler and something to mark and something to cut, glue, and some embellishments, and that's it. So, and I need another piece for my back. I'm going to decorate the back as well, because I prefer to decorate every single side so no one can see that where I joined the paper, for example. And I think that's how I like it. Okay, let me grab the glue. Which one do I want at the front? This one is... have I done something wrong? No, I think it's fine. It's just... okay. If you want, you can make one and just write the measurements for yourself. But I think that's what I always do. I hardly ever write measurements for those kind of boxes, because it's so easy. You just measure it whilst you make it, and mark with a pencil and just cut. But if you want, I think in my previous video for this type of box I did write some measurements, so I will check it out. I think that was last year or 2 years ago. I've done a very similar box and I actually included the measurements. I will try to look it up, and if I did, then I will add that video in a description box below this one, so you can have a look and write it down and follow that one. But because I haven't got that much time, I decided to switch on the camera and see if I can actually record this one. Okay, I want to put my chocolate right way up, yeah, and then This one is almost done. She's just picking embellishments on the top. Yeah, you see? Every single side is covered with beautiful paper. And now let me do something on the top. I was thinking to use those beautiful elements because there are so many of them that I will still have many of them left, but not enough papers. So let's see, what can I do on the front? I need something brighter because this background is really dark. I pushed out those two because I really like them, but I think I need something more. I will keep them here. I was looking at that beautiful red heart. Looks so pretty. Yeah, I like it. And this one should go on the top because it's like a decoupage. So that's another element I could technically use. And then those windows. Yep. And then what else? I was thinking, I really love this Christmas tree, and I don't think I will be doing many more projects with this one. So I'm thinking to add that one, and we need the sentiment as well. And I think it should be, I've got another Christmas tree. See, it's very hard to decide. Or maybe I should use, actually, there's another one. Let me glue those together and then I will be back because it will take such a long time. So I will do it off camera. So I prepped all the embellishments and let me just put them on this box. So I want my Christmas tree to be flat, and then I will put that little Christmas hat. And I picked this Christmas wishes sentiment, which I'm going to add on to the side. I think I want my Christmas tree a little bit more to the left, so it will be more visible and not that much covered, so everyone can see how beautiful the tree looks like. Okay, this one goes flat because I added those decoupage pieces. And let me just see, you know what, I will add that sentiment first, so then I will see exactly how much space do I have. So this way I can position everything the way I want it to look like. Yeah, I think that's fine. And of course I've got some stars I'm going to add into a few different places. Why not? So I've got so many elements from this kit that I need to use it. Just don't want to keep it for next Christmas. Okay, and I think I like it. I think we need some sparkly bits as well. So I'm thinking to add those red ones here all over the top. I think the glue is a little bit dry, but I can manage. I'm adding a little bit glue under my gems. I think I will wait a little bit, see how it looks like, and if I need to add more, I will. Just don't want to overdo with gems. I think it will be sparkly enough. So I hope you like this project. Please let me know if you've done anything similar, or maybe you've seen my previous video from previous years for those kind of boxes. Such an easy way to create a sleeve and then decorate it, so I think it doesn't take such a long time. And if you want to give something which will look so special, then I think that's the way to do it. And you can actually in my previous videos I've done something similar, but I create like a pocket with a tag which you could remove and write your own wishes. If instead of a card, it's like a 2-in-1, a box of chocolates and Christmas wishes as well. So I think that could be a nice idea if you haven't tried it before. So I hope you like this one. I hope you can see it, how sparkly it is. So let me know what do you think about this project. And that's how it looks like at the back and sides. Everything is decorated. So I hope you like this project. Oh, let me know what do you think about it. Write me some comments, give me some thumbs ups, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.